to a Z to Z series where every function takes you one step closer to spreadsheet mastery. To this letter M, you have 120 sales transactions sitting in your spreadsheet, each one with a full date. Your manager wants to know total revenue by month. So this function is the month function in Excel. It helps extract the month number from any date, returning a number from 1 for January through to 12 for December. That number then becomes the key you use to group, count, and sum your data by month across an entire data set. Here's the business scenario we're working with today. A sales transaction data set of 120 records across the full year 2025. Each transaction asks product, transaction ID, transaction date, quantity, unit price, total revenue, region. The sales analyst needs to group these transactions by month to build a monthly revenue trend report for the leadership team. So to extract the month number from the transaction date, you have to create a new column and label it month number. So in the first row here, we type our formula month. We have select the corresponding date. You can see that we don't get the exact results we want. So we need to change the formatting of this column, this entire column. So we select the entire column. Click here, click number format, then reduce the decimal place. So the next thing is to drag this down so that we can have the month number across the 120 rows we have. So now that the month number column becomes the engine for everything, we want to count the number of transactions that happened in January. And to do that, we'll be using our count if function, count if. So our range is the month number range. That's from C3 to C122. C3 to C122. The criteria is 1, is January. So 9 transactions happened in the month of January. The next one is to get the total revenue in January. So we're using our sum if function to determine that our range is C3 to C122. Criteria is C January 1. Then the sum range is G function, the total revenue column. That's G3 to G122. So we have a total revenue in January, which is 3,205,500 naira. So one small extracted number unlocks month level grouping, counting, and summing across your entire dataset. Month function turns a column of raw dates into the function of every monthly trend report. If this was helpful, give it a like, share with someone on your team, and do not miss the next function in the Z to Z series. See you in the next one.